Obwekote rukozese mushangwe yamani ekuriro Justice Isaac Muwata negenda misho no kurro mushango g'omushubuzi Henry Katanga orukugambwa kubahisirwa mukazi wa More Katanga erizobo rubajora hababi rwareta omujuruzi wa mukago mu mushango ogu kandi ogu numunyanya w'omugenzi Henry Katanga. Naume Nyanjesho yagambira koti ebyaro kumanya ahakufa kwa Henry Katanga orumunyanya
kunizire natahamu ya Chingorwiji.
When I came, I entered, he closed the door.
Yangira ati Naume
And told me that Naume,
atabantu hati nibingi
that now people are many.
najya atabantu nibakwenza ki
ogona yagira ngo umunyanya atakisirwe akamugambiraho okwabira harabara kumuhiga okumwita
yangira tubona ni More ati More nanda kunyita.
He said, it is More, she wants to kill me.
Ati nija ngo nkwereze ibintu byanje.
I have come so that I give you my things.
Atabo kwa More ati group y'impango.
na bwanyuma orubajoro hababirwe orwaba rukurirwe Elson Karuhanga na Peter Kabatsi rwagambira omuramuzi Isaac Muwata ngo bakashaba obujuruzi obwaretwa mu koti babu bima kandi obu buri bukuru omu mushango ogu.
Of course, later on made an application of this court, still demanding, among other things, up to now, not received them. We need them. We must have them to be able to cross-examine this witness properly. Those documents
are personal documents for the deceased and not even for the witness.
The should respect the prosecution. My lord, it is a constitution for these people. Yes. My lord, not able to broke. Much obliged.
Omushango ogu niguza kugarukamu rwakabiri biro 8 ogwo rubaju orukuhababirwa rukubuza omujuruzi gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza.
When you get excited, you don't talk. There is a new process.